What's going on, everyone? I'm John from 16 Views. This is more of a random video, but I've been on YouTube for a year now, and I thought I'd just make a video about like going through my statistics and everything. I'm a big numbers person. Well, no. I hate math, but I like statistics and that kind of stuff. I've always found that stuff super interesting, so I just thought I'd make a video going through everything and just kind of checking it out and making a video out of it. Let's open YouTube Studio and check out these analytics. Okay, I mean, like, first off, 602 subscribers. It's like the biggest thing right here. There's your big number of subs. Remember when I first started this YouTube channel, my goal was to be able to monetize my channel by the end of the year? That obviously didn't happen, but I'm actually thinking about making a video that's like, I've been on YouTube for 1 year now. What exactly have I learned? Like tips for people starting, so keep an eye on that video over the next, I don't know, month maybe. I'm not quite sure when I'll make it and release it, but that's definitely in the plan. My channel's had almost 75,000 views, which is actually kind of cool. Like, that's like a lot of views. Well, it's not a lot of views, but like, in the scheme of things, like, I never thought I'd get this many. Like, that's kind of fun. If you haven't watched my, like, not last video, but I think the video before that, the thank you video, that's basically a video that I made after I'd been on YouTube for a year. And if you watch that, you know that basically like the reason I started my whole YouTube channel was because of Manny Kapoya's like COVID film competition. And so my very first video was high school COVID-19 story because I thought I'd offer like a unique perspective and everything about how like high schoolers have been affected by COVID-19. So you can see like at the very beginning of my channel, my views spiked because I think I like promoted it on my socials and like my personal Instagram, like with the people who go to my school and everything. And it was very slow. I was getting maybe 6 videos a day, and then after that I started doing, I think, a video like once a week. I was trying to do, or once every 2 weeks. So I reviewed my Galaxy Buds, best way to transfer files, what is aperture. I did like 3 Minute Thursday stuff where it's like breaking down like ISO, shutter speed, all that. What is sensor size? I remember I grinded on that video. Ooh, and then this is the peak for that. I got 103 views that day. And how to recover deleted files. And then you can see this is when I started getting a little more consistent views, like not 0 or 4. Like I was actually getting like, 50, 60 views. I kept putting out more videos, how to make your Instagram better, iOS. And I think this day is definitely when it peaked because iOS 14 recently came out. And I like promoted it on my socials, and I think a lot of people from my school were like, oh, what's new in iOS 14? So I got a lot of views off that. And then right around October is when I had 2 videos really start taking off. And that was the how to recover your deleted files. And then one that I made even before that, which was how to transfer files using like VLC. And you can see those blew up right around here, and that's when my channel started getting like 200, 300 views per day. Peaked 479, holy cow. Somehow peaked that day, 479, that's pretty good. And then ever since then I've been in like the mid to high 300s, really ever since then. Looks like the past few days I've been in the upper 400s, so that's pretty good. Right around this September, October mark, right around here is when my channel, but not really, because I have 600 subscribers, so it didn't really blast off, but like a little bit. Watch time is it looks like the exact same. I mean, like as views increase, your watch time is going to increase. So like 2.4 thousand hours is a lot. Like, actually, how many minutes is that? What's 2.4 thousand times 60? 144,000 minutes? That's like kind of bogus to me. What's 2,400 divided by 24? Oh, how did I not? Okay, I could have done that in my head. Like 100 days, like 1/3 of a year's time has been spent watching my videos. Like, that's kind of cool. Subscribers, a lot of these peaks towards the beginning are when I would like advertise my videos on like my own Instagram and like my Snap and everything with people at my school, and I think then people would subscribe. And then right around here is when I'd start getting is when my other videos started blowing up. So I started getting like a few subs per day. Of all the videos I would have chosen to blow up, I wish it wouldn't have been those two, because like how to transfer your files and how to recover deleted files have like nothing to do what I want my channel to like be about, like technology, photography, that kind of stuff. And so like all the subscribers I'm getting aren't really interested in like that technology photography stuff, so they're less likely to watch my videos. But I mean, I'll take the 600 subscribers over nothing. But you know, there's a lot of people at my school who subscribe, so like thank you to you guys if you're actually watching the video. So that's kind of cool. 592,000 impressions is a ton. I think one of the home screen videos I did, the Christmas one, like just caught the algorithm just right when I released it. So you can see that day it like peaked and I got 10,000 impressions. And if you don't know, impressions are basically like if someone searches up a video, it's like it'll show up, but you don't necessarily click on it. Like when you see that like thumbnail on your like For You page or something like that. And then since then it's been pretty much consistent. I think it's all my numbers are really based off those two videos that kind of went viral. Average view duration is only 153. That's not super high. Returning viewers, I mean, you can see that my returning viewers is slowly increasing. That's good. This stuff, I've always noticed that like with like when your viewers are on YouTube, this stuff changes all the time. But like in general, I tend to post on Fridays between like 10 and 4. But like they also said that like your posting time doesn't really like affect like the long term. But I tend to post on Fridays for like normal videos, and then if I do a 3-minute Thursday, I'll of course post it on Thursday. But I tend to post on Fridays just because like it gives me like a weekend to like start a video, and then I'll like edit it a little bit through the week. Oh, okay, here. This is what I've been looking for. Top geographies. I actually was interested to see this. So, oh, I wish I just give you a map. That'd be cool if I gave you like an actual map. Okay, but U.S. is majority. That makes sense. India, okay. Philippines, United Kingdom, Canada, Pakistan, Malaysia, Australia, Ukraine. Oh, my grandparents live in Ukraine, so I wonder if that might be why. But they're actually filmmakers and stuff. My grandpa's like a huge documentary like producer, and he's done stuff with like Spielberg and everything, so that's kind of cool. Germany, South Africa, Nigeria, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka. Dang, I got like all the countries here. Afghanistan. Oh, I didn't get Belgium. Dang, I wanted Belgium. Gender. I'm assuming this is going to be very heavily male. Oh, that's actually not. I thought it was going to be like in the 85 to 90% male. So it's a little more even. So ladies, I got your watch hours. Oh, there's 68 people who have notifications for my channel. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Like I have 68 people who like want to actually know when my videos come out. Like, oh, if you're one of those people, thank you. Like that means a lot. That's kind of cool. Watch time from subscribers. It's almost 98.3% not subscribed. Again, that makes sense because it's just those two videos that really get most of my channel analytics. And so like people really aren't going to subscribe to a video just talking about how to recover your deleted files. But dude, imagine if that was like even like 10% subscribed. I'd have 1,000 subscribers by now. If you don't know, the whole like requirement to monetize your channel and everything is you have to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours over a year. Hopefully I can get it by the end of 2021, but we'll see. I keep having to remind myself that like it's an exponential curve. Like it's not a linear line. Like my subscribers are gonna increase daily as like just I do more and like make more videos. So like if this was a linear path, it would take me substantially longer, but it's not. It's exponential. So hopefully that'll increase a little faster than it is right now and keep increasing. Finally, I want to look at analytics for the file recovery, because I think that's the one that has the most views. Here, 40,000 views, 562 comments. Woo, that's crazy. That's just insane. 40,000 is just crazy. But you can see this is very much a linear line. But I think it's also, if you look at what I have as the tags for this video, it's like ranked for every single one. Here, if it loads. Yeah, see like how to recover deleted files off an SD card, that's 2. And that's basically what everyone's gonna be searching up. Like everything is ranked here. So I think like when most people search it up, like I'm like the first or second video that they're gonna watch. 40,000 views. I mean like this video is more than half of my channel's views. I think I had 75 and this is 40. It's a little over half. I've gotten half of my subscribers from this. Half of my watch hours are from this one video. See, that's the thing. It's like, I'm like happy that I have all these like watch hours and views and everything, but I really wish it was from a video that was more focused on what I want my channel to be about and not like a tutorial video, because like, if you think about it, I've gotten 310 subscribers out of the 40,000 that have watched it. Like, that's a very, very low number. And I think it'd be substantially higher, and I would definitely be over 1,000 subscribers if I had a video that was a little more like niche focused on technology or something like that, that went viral rather than like just a tutorial video. So I'm like disappointed about that, but I mean, it's still getting me watch hours, it's still getting me views. It'll eventually help out like once I'm able to monetize my channel. Okay, this video is probably getting a little long, but I found this kind of interesting to like go through and just like see everything. I hope you found it interesting. If you even watched to the end of this video, I doubt too many people are watching to the end of this video. But I'll just end it now. If you are by chance still watching this video and you aren't subscribed, you should definitely subscribe. I'm John from 16 Views. See ya.